guys, welcome back to Practically Creative. It is time for the February block of the month. And this month we are doing the rail fence quilt block. I'm going to show you my finished block right here. And we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a really easy quilt block, almost as easy as the 4-patch from last month. And once we're all done, I'll bring you back and I will show you what the block looks like. But get ready, let's do it. These are our 2.5-inch strips times width of fabric. We have a light, a medium, and a dark. And at the sewing machine, what we're going to do is we're going to sew all 3 of our strips together. We're going to sew our light to our medium, and then the medium gets attached to the dark. And I have sped this up, and I'll show you how I press the seams so that everything lays out like it's supposed to. Now I'm going to cut 6.5-inch wide strips, and then I'm going to arrange them into the layout I want, and then I'm going to clip them together so that I can take them to the sewing machine and sew them. Now I'm ironing like I always tell you guys not to iron. I've got the iron on it and I'm moving the iron around on it. Because I'm ironing, I'm not actually pressing today. Okay, so was that the easiest block ever, almost? Again, let's look at it. This is the rail fence. Now you can do this as a 4-inch, but I'm going to show you. My strips are 2.5 inches. And I just cut the width of the fabric. I used fat quarters. So I did 2.5 inches by, I did 22 inches. And that was enough for one. I'm making another one off camera, and I will show you probably at the end of the year. I'm not going to show it to you now because it's exactly the same as this one. But I am going to make another one off camera so that I will have 2 blocks. And at the end of the year, we'll have 2 of each block. And then we'll decide whether we're going to do 2 separate small quilts or 1 larger one. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to go check out Sylvia over at You and Me FPP and see what she did with her crisp red this month. That's what this month's color is. Crisp red. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.